Okay, here's one. What percent of 40 is 20? Okay, just like the problem that we did, only now we're missing the percent. What percent of 40 is 20? It's a percent problem. We're going to use the percent box. 100 always goes in the lower right section. Okay, this is percent. Do we know the percent? No, that's what we're looking for. We can put a question mark in there if we want to. Okay. Now, which number is going to go on the top and which number is going to go on the bottom? Well, which is the part? Well, 20 is the part. 40 would be the whole. Okay. It's is over of. The is number goes on top. The of number goes on the bottom. So now I've got my percent box figured out, filled in correctly. These two numbers are lined up corner to corner now. So I've got to do 20 times 100. I get 2,000 divided by the odd number divided by 40. Okay, 2,000 divided by 40. 40 goes into 205 times. I get 50. Okay, 50%, and I know that's the right answer. So I know I did it right. Okay, so the answer is 50%. That's half, isn't it? That's half. Okay. Let's do one more problem. Okay, a shirt costs $20. $20. It's on sale for 25% off. It's on sale for 25% off. How much would you pay? What's the sale price? Okay, is what they're asking. Now this is going to be a two-step problem. First, we have to find out how much they're going to take off, how many dollars they're going to take off. We know it's 25%. And then we have to subtract that from the original price, okay, to get our sale price, okay? Let's make our percent problem. Percent problem, percent box. Okay, 100 goes down here. Did they give us a percent? Yes. 25 goes here in the percent section. Okay. What we're really looking for now is, and we make our own, maybe make our own little problem up in our head. What is 25% of $20? Okay, that's really what we're looking for. Okay, that's going to tell us which number goes where. Is the $20 the part or is it the whole? Well, that's the whole price of the shirt, isn't it? Okay, plus it's the of number if you rephrase it like this. What is 25% of? Okay, it's the of number when you're looking for the part of the whole. So the 20 goes on the bottom. Now we've got our percent box filled out. These two numbers are lined up corner to corner. 25 times 20 is 500. We're going to divide that by 100. That goes 5 times. So the discount is $5. Okay. Well, I know also that 25% is also what fraction? The fraction 1/4, right? 25% equals 1/4. If I want to find 1/4 of something, I could always just divide it by 4. 4 goes into $20 5 times. So that's just a way of checking, okay? So they're taking $5 off. Okay? Pretty good deal. Now you've got to answer the question. Go back and read it. How much would you pay? Well, now you've got to do step 2. $20 minus the $5 that they're taking off. You're going to pay $15 for that shirt. Okay? Okay, there's one other way to do percent that can be handy sometimes, and I'm just going to show you that quickly. If we want to find what is 25% of 20, that was our problem in the last problem, okay? We can remember that of means multiply, okay? Of means multiply. And we could also change 25% to a decimal, okay? This is really 25 hundredths, okay? We could always just move that decimal point 2 places to the left and get rid of the percent sign. And now it's a multiplication problem, okay? Sometimes you'll see percent problems like this. It's 0.25 times 20, okay? So instead of using the percent box, sometimes you will see this. Well, what is 0.25 times 20? Okay, 0, 0, 5. And now we have to count decimal places because we're multiplying decimals. 1, 2 decimal places here, none here. So there's a total of 2 above the line. We've got to put 2 below the line, okay? And we get the same $5, okay? So 25% off would also be $5. And I mentioned before, you could also change 25% to the fraction 1/4 times 20, okay? 1/4 of 20. And 20, we would make 20 over 1. We could simplify here. 4 goes into 4 once, into 25 times, and we would still get our $5 off, okay? But with percent, most of the time, you're going to see a percent problem, and the first thing you're going to do is draw your percent box. Okay? Put 100 in the bottom right section. If they give you the percent, you're going to put it up here. Put the part on top on the left. Put the whole or the total on the bottom, and multiply the two that line up corner to corner. Divide by the third number. Remember, is over of. Okay? And if you are doing a problem where you're getting a discount on something, don't forget step 2, where you have to subtract the discount from the original price.